what is the rule of the mapping x maps to y in the table below? So in the table, we have been given the x values and the y values. When x is 0, y is 2. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 2, y is 6. When x is 3, y is 8. And when x is 4, y is 10. We are going to use this information to find the rule of the mapping. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. If you look at the values in the table carefully, you can see that the difference between consecutive x values is the same, and the difference between consecutive y values is also the same. This means that the mapping we have here is a linear mapping. And if it's a linear mapping, then the rule is of the form y is equal to ax plus b. With this, we can take any two set of values in the table and substitute it into this equation to get the values of a and b, which will in turn give us the rule of the mapping. So let's do that. I'm going to begin with 0 and 2. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. I will substitute them into what we have here. Y is equal to ax plus b. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, which means that 2 is equal to a times x, which is 0, plus b. A times 0 will give us 0. So it means that 2 is equal to b, or b is equal to 2. So we have been able to find the value of b here, which is 2. So our rule is now y is equal to ax plus 2. The next thing we have to do is to find the value of a. To do that, I'm going to select another set of values. I'm going to select 1 and 4. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Remember, our rule is now y is equal to ax plus 2. So I'll substitute the two values we have here so that I can get the value of a. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. And so you have 4 is equal to a times x, which is 1, plus 2. A times 1 will give us a. And so we have 4 is equal to a plus 2. When we group like terms, we will have 4 minus 2 is equal to a. And so we are going to have 2 is equal to a, or a is equal to 2. So we now have the value of a to be 2. We have found the value of b to be 2. And so our rule is y is equal to 2x plus 2. From the question, we were told that x maps to y. And we have found y to be 2x plus 2. So we can say that x maps to 2x plus 2. And this is the rule of the mapping. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C. X maps to 2x plus 2.